Bonjour, Anishinaabe students. Today we're going to play a game called What's That Word? Okay, I am going to segment a word and you're going to see if you can guess it before I show you the object. Then, when this is all done, you can either find an object that you want to show, see if you can segment and see if I can guess, or you can use one of the objects that we are using right now. Okay, here we go. Here's the first one. B-O-W. What's that word? If you said bowl, you would be correct. That one was a hard one, wasn't it? Okay, here we go. Here's another one. T-A-P. What's that word? Is it? Should I segment it one more time for you? T-A-P. If you guessed top, you were absolutely correct. Bing, bing, bing. Yay. And here is a top. Ooh. Here we go. Here's another one. S-T-R. What is that word? St. If you guessed star, you were absolutely correct. That's accurate segmenting. I am going to show you a picture. Oh, here, this one's a little hard. It's not one, it's more than one. Let's see if we can show that to you. These are shells. Oops, I gave you the answer. Let's see if you can segment it for me later. All right. All right. So, segmenting is really important for reading and writing because why? Well, it'll help you to read because you'll be able to look at the letters, give the sounds for them, and then blend them back together in your brain into a word. And that's a hard thing to do. And it takes a lot of practice. But if you go around today in your house and you look at things and you say, that is a basket. What's that word? Play it with your siblings. Play it with your mom. Play it with your dad. Play it with your grandma. Play it with everybody. Easy and fun to do, and it's good for reading. And it's also good for writing because you start thinking about the letters and the sounds. And then you start thinking, oh, I know what that is. Miss Chris has a hard time with spelling. And one of the reasons is because she's not good at segmenting. She memorized everything. This is hard for her. So maybe I'll play too. I'll see you later. Good luck on your segmenting adventures. I can't wait to see your answers.